Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So as you know, you can probably see it on the title and the thumbnail, I'm going to be installing a induction kit on my MK5 Golf GTI. I've got big plans for the car, hopefully make it a bit of a beast, but for now I'm just going to install this induction kit. Yeah, it's a bit battered. So I was actually given this induction kit like 2 years ago. I was given it for free, and as you can tell, there's a reason I was given it for free, because it looks a mess. So what I've done is I've went and bought a new filter, and buying off eBay, you know, is RamAir direct, so it's a genuine one, but I mismeasured the size, but it should fit. Hopefully it fits in that silicone pipe. If not, I have got another one which I can steal temporarily. So what I'm going to do is sand it all back, give it a rub down. It's in this box because I'm actually going to spray it. I'll fit my new MAF sensor in, well, the original one off of the Golf, and give it a good clean up and get it fitted. Time's ticking now, it's about 7:30 at night, so yeah, I've got to try and do this before it gets dark. So I'm going to start by just taking off every single Jubilee clip. If I take this one off first, it'll determine if my air filter is going to fit. No, completely different. It's almost like I need a coupler. So air filter's off. I'm just going to start stripping it down anyway. Hopefully the other filter that I've got would actually fit. See if I get it off. Right, as you don't know if you can see in there, where it's been just sat in the shed for years, it's filled with absolute crap, so I'm going to have to blast it out with an airline. That should just pop off. This one here. Should. Jesus. So I've got my two bends. I'm just going to give these a rub down and just paint them. It's not going to look pretty, but it's just temporary until RamAir decide to sponsor me. So I'm literally just using a 240 grit. Like, I don't care about it looking absolutely 100% up until I get a new one, but for now I think this will do. I'm just going to give it a quick etch over. Just blasted it all out with the airline as well, so it's nice and clean inside. Happy days. So, through fashion, graffiti paint again. As you know, I sprayed a lot of stuff with graffiti paint. Yeah. What I'm going to do is just give it a quick couple of coats and then off we go. So I'm just going to wait for the first coat to dry, give it a second coat. Like I said, it's not got to be perfect. Temporarily, I'm going to steal the air filter off the Focus because the other one that I got is the same as the new one. That's also a RamAir, and just for the video, I'll get on eBay, order a new one for the Focus, and I'll keep the old one on the Golf because this here is a budget car, this here isn't. So yeah. Right, it's going to be hard. Oh, that was easier than I thought. I thought it was going to be difficult. So I'll just leave it like that. I'll shut the bonnet and be done with it. It'll be fine for like 2 days. I ordered the other one there yesterday and it come today, so probably be here Monday. It's Saturday evening now, so yeah. We go back to this. So that's dry now. Happy days. That one looks a bit rough still. It's dry, but it's, I think that one's had a bit more paint, and it was black anyway, so I'll give them all both another coat and start stripping down the Golf. Not got to look pretty, like I said. What I'll do is I'll blow these out like I did with the hard pipes and just give them a quick wipe down, make them shiny again, and yeah, we're good to go. So I'm not sure how well the camera picked it up on the angle, but that's my new air intake fitted. When I say new, is I've had it 2 years. It's been in the shed for 2 years, maybe longer. Just a lick of paint. It don't look the best, but yeah, I'll plug back in the math and start the boy up. Yeah, just putting new parts on it. I'm buzzing with this. And luckily it's got the little lobe here for when I do the K4 conversion, because you've got to run your diverter valve down here, I believe. So that's happy days. There's a bit of a shit weld on here, but I believe a bolt goes in here to mount it. I've not got one, so it looks like a 6mm thread. You should find one in the shed somewhere. And yeah, the first stage of unlocking more power on the car. Happy days. It's probably a short video, but yeah, I don't, there's not much to it really, but if you've enjoyed the video, it'd be good if you can leave a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel, because eventually I got big plans to make this an absolute weapon. Thinking about bigger brakes, either some Porsche 4-pots or some S3 brakes, lower it, make it put like a rear K brace in the back, just make it ready for going around the track. So if you're looking forward to following, that'd be great. Like I said, just thumbs up and subscribe, goes a long way. And I'm going to clear up before the sun goes down. Thanks for watching. Cheers.